Number 1. Appetizer. An appetizer is a small dish served before the main meal to stimulate the appetite. Number 2 is a cuisine. Basically, cuisine is a style or method of cooking, particularly associated with the specific region or a country. So number 3 is dessert. Dessert is a sweet course that is served at the end of a meal. Main theme of the food: ingredients. Ingredients are the various foods or substances used to make a dish. Next is side dish. A side dish is a smaller dish served alongside the main course, means main food, to complement it. So let's talk about the main course. Actually, the main course is the central and the most substantial dish in the meal. Next is condiments. Condiments are sauces, seasonings added to food to enhance its flavor. Spices. Spices are aromatic ingredients, like the ingredients which have a strong fragrance that enhance our food flavors, like cinnamon or pepper we used to add flavor to food. Next is herbs. Herbs are plants like basil or parsley used to flavor dishes. So the next is beverages. Beverages are drinks including water, tea, coffee or juices. So the next is savoury. Savoury foods are salty or spicy in taste rather than sweet. Sweet foods contain sugar and have a sugary taste, like cakes, pastries, brownies. Foods which have a sharp, often unpleasant taste, that is called bitter. So the next word in our list have is umami. Umami is a savory, meaty taste like associated with the broths and cooked meats. That is umami. Most of the people pronounce this word umami. It's U silent and we can say umami. Next word in our list is gluten. Gluten is a protein like found in wheat that gives elasticity to dough. Dairy. Next word is dairy. All the white things around you in your food is dairy. Dairy refers to products made from milk like cheese, butter and yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Allah Hafiz.